Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore unallocated disk partition or space on your MacBook. So many people try to partition their main disk, that is Apple STD, using the partition option in the disk utility, or few people try to install Windows 10 using the Boot Camp software given in the, that is, Launchpad, in the Boot Camp using the Boot Camp assistant. So in both these things, that is using the partition, the bootcamp also does the partition and you can use the partition from here. So if something happens and some thing goes wrong during the partition, so some space, suppose I'm trying to install Windows 10 and I allocate 50 GBs from the from the main hard disk, and something goes wrong, so 50 GBs will become unallocated. Okay, so in order to get it back or restore it to the main, that is Apple STD, now I have a 500 GB hard disk. Now you can see I have two partition, that is Mac SD and Boot Camp. So I have allocated like 100 GBs to this Boot Camp. So if something goes wrong and this becomes unallocated, so even there is a chance that it will not show up here. And if you click on this one, that is Mac SD, or you click on this one, so it will show that is less space, it is like 490 398 GBs or something like that. So 100 GBs will be gone and it will not show up here. So now you know that your hard disk is like 500 GBs and it is not showing, it is only showing that around 398 GBs. So how will you solve this problem? So in order to solve this one, there are two things that you can do. So first of all, suppose it is showing here that is Boot Camp, it is showing here Boot Camp or some other name that you have done during the Windows 10 installation. So you can go to this Launchpad and you can go to this other, you click on the Boot Camp assistant. Okay, now you'll reach here, click on continue. Now there are three options that you will get here. Now one of the option is that remove Windows 7 or later version. Now you need to click on, please select this one only, click on continue. Now again you can see here it is giving an option, that is restore disk to a single volume. Now click restore to remove the Windows partition and restore the disk to a single partition OS X volume. Okay, so this thing, Boot Camp assistant, will actually delete the rest of the space, that is the Boot Camp space or any other. Suppose you have only 1 MB of unallocated space, that also will be restored to this OS X. Now you need to click on restore and it will take some time and it will restore every other partition and unallocated space to this single disk. Okay, so this is the first option. Now suppose you are unable to see this unallocated space here and you will only see Mac SD here of 398 GBs, but you don't see another 100 GBs or 50 GBs or whatever you have missing on your Mac SD. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to first click on this Apple STD, then you need to click on this partition, then you can see this thing, that is a small dot here. You can actually do like this. So now what you need to do is you need to create a small partition of like 1 GBs, 2 GBs or maybe 5 GBs. You can select here. Okay, you can select this one. Now you can see 32 4 GBs. You can slide it down to like suppose 4.85 GBs or 5 GBs. Okay, first of all you need to partition the main disk into this 5 GBs of small disk. Okay, now click on apply and keep the rest of the things as same. Okay, now it will, after clicking on apply, it will create a 5 GBs of a small partition here. So after Mac SD you will see that partition instead of, that is Boot Camp. Now that is after 5 GBs it will become like 393 and you will get 5 GBs here. So now again what you need to do is click on that partition. Okay, now click on erase there. Now In the format type, click on MS-DOS, click on exFAT. Okay, click on the exFAT option and please click on erase. Okay, after doing this, again you need to open up, again go to the launchpad section and you need to open up the Bootcamp Assistant. Click on continue. Again you need to click on remove Windows 7 or later versions. So whether you have installed it or you have not installed it, it doesn't matter. Click on continue. Now again this option will come, that is click restore to remove the Windows partition and restore the disk to a single partition OS X volume. So what happens is that when you click on restore, it will delete that 5 GB of partition, and it will also restore the unallocated space that you have on your Mac SD, that is 50 GBs or 100 GBs, which was not showing here. It will also delete that one, and the 5 GBs that you just created, and it will all restore it to the Macintosh SD in a single partition. So that's how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, please comment on this video so that I can solve your problem. Share this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.